Hey you, we're back for another shopping and date night. I've learned over these last 20 years how it's not just fun, it's necessary, it's mandatory to reconnect, especially that he is a truck driver, lime hauler, so his hours are very long. And we just seem to catch up on the weekends. So a little shopping, a little spoiling, a little dinner, just some sexy vibes, just us is always needed, especially when you have four kids, including a special needs son like our Zane. Setting spray here. Love it. Need it. We don't need it, but we got it. Don't mind Zane in the background. You know you love our autism hums. Yep, Korean skincare, always a W. I've tried them all. Stick to the Korean, ladies. Is that you cannot go wrong with any Korean skincare you buy. Your skin will thank you later. HomeGoods inside of a Marshalls. Yep, a little cute selfie moment. Hey. Oh my god, these rugs. They were huge, expensive, but still a moment. Can't wait for us to get our new home, start the shopping. I really can't tell you how many beautiful rugs there were, but it's hard, right? $500 on a beautiful rug. If you know, you know, I guess. Love design. Oh, and the chairs. So many different types of chairs to choose from. I just had fun looking at all the possibilities. Once we get our new home and I have a better idea of what design we're going to go with, you know I'll be posting it on here. Just some more pretty things to look at. Ooh, designer books. Prop them on your coffee table. Vanity. Marble here was beautiful. So many different types. All shapes, all sizes. Giving them all to me. Just funky, cool designs. Love a throw blanket and pillow. They have so many options here. Oh, Halloween, let me tell you. My birthday is in October, so yes, obviously, but I am obsessed with Halloween. I was an event planner for 15 years, and we've done Halloween baby showers, Halloween wedding themes. Just, I've gotten to enjoy myself, even with the children, making little haunted parties at home. Since it lands right after my birthday, sorry. I always just try to have fun with them for my birthday as well, for Halloween. We do Day of the Dead pretty big. Oh, and they have such pretty pink. You know, I'm a sucker for pink. The mirrors, beautiful. All of them. Hey, me again. Like and subscribe. That chair had me in a daze. Oh, and this lamp was so cool. Very Miami vibes. Yeah, 20-year love story. Riding with him. Where are we going? Anywhere. Let's go. I know you see this and you're like, wow, 20 years. Lucky them. 20 years of learning each other, forgiving each other, and falling in love over and over and over again. Especially with four kids, the ups and downs are crazy. Oh, here we are pulling up to the restaurant. Gotta love it. Super vibey everywhere. But the inside, so pretty. Very well done and clean. All of the staff was pretty amazing. And the food was delish. That was from the buffet for all your sides. Gotta go check it out. Shout out to Divina. Love it. That's our gaucho here bringing the steak.
Everything, what the fuck?
Again, I made that little plate there. So yum. Goat cheese on there. Mm. Never miss a selfie moment in the bathroom, ladies. Here you get a little glimpse of the bathroom. Very well designed and lit up. So of course I took advantage of all the mirrors. Had Zane in the background. Shout out Zane. You will hear him. Autism doesn't care about me making a YouTube voiceover. So enjoy the selfie moments. Oh, that gnocchi truffle sauce was the bomb. And don't get me started on the lamb chops. All while enjoying my sangria. Oh, finished. Oh my god, and this cute girl came over and took our pictures and framed it for us. Oh, my creme brulee. Babe had a nice flan. Enjoy the ride back. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Mwah.